Hello and welcome back everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I have my W211 Mercedes E-Class, and I wanted to share with you guys these disgusting headlights. As you guys can see, they're pretty hazed up and pretty dirty, and they're pretty rough sounding. So far I've only cleaned up this headlight right here versus this, and as you guys can see, this one is pretty dirty, and before anyone says that you could just scrub it down and it will get cleaned up, that's not the case right here, because it's oxidized, it's hazed up, it starts yellowing up. As you guys see right there, they're starting to just look really nasty. So I wanted to share with you guys a very inexpensive way on how you guys could clean them and fix them in a matter of minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I wanted to share with you guys beforehand, if I try cleaning it, as you guys see, it's still dirty, it's still hazed up. But here's the secret sauce. This video is not sponsored or anything, but it's just something that's been working great for me for the past couple of years. It's from Turtle Wax. It's their rubbing compound heavy duty cleaner, and this thing is only a few bucks. I'll have it listed down below in my description box if you guys also want to check one out. And not only is this good for cleaning your headlights, but it's good for cleaning your whole car after you wash it. If it's oxidized, if it has watermarks, or even scratches or swirls, this is the best thing to use. And as you guys can see, I've gone through about 4 or 5 of these boxes already in the past couple of years. I use this on a lot of different applications. All you do is grab a cloth, put a little bit on it, and then you're going to go to your headlight and basically start going in circles. And then if it looks like it's starting to run out, you just want to grab a little bit more and basically do the same thing. And the trick on this is you want to do baby swirls. You don't want to go in big circles like this. The smaller the better, because it's going to clean it a lot more better. Then all I'm going to do is just flip my towel around and wipe away. Flip it again. And there you have it with just one application of the swirl. It's a lot more cleaned up compared to the other. As you guys are seeing right here, it's a lot more cleaned up compared to the smaller one. The yellowness is gone, the roughness is gone, and you could actually see the headlight now. And now if I go at it again with the second application, it's going to make it even better. If you guys aren't in a rush and you want the results to last longer and basically make the headlight look even better, then once you're done buffing and swirling into the headlight with this compound, you're gonna let it sit. You see this hazy look? You're gonna let it sit and dry for about 10-15 minutes and then wipe away. And then you could do the same thing on the next one. And don't worry about the excess if it gets onto your car body or the paint. It's not going to damage it. It's just a little bit hectic cleaning it up after, so that's the only thing you want to be careful with, but it's not damaging to your car. And since my rag is a bit dirty, I'm going to just grab another one and wipe away. Same thing here. So as you guys are seeing right now, the headlights are a lot more clear now. And now if you look at this one is still pretty yellow and dirty. This one I went over it just once, but comparing the 1-time to the 2-time application on this headlight, there's a world difference. And I just wanted to share this awesome method with you guys. It's very inexpensive, it's very easy to do, and it only takes a couple of minutes, and the end results are just amazing. The headlights do look amazing again, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button. And if this video didn't help you guys out, or if you guys have another trick on how to clean these headlights, you could drop them down below in the comment box so we could all try a different method out. And if you guys want to try the method that I use and the products that I used, I will have them listed down below in my description box. And if you guys want to see more videos on my cars, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.